Avoid these errors. Mastering adverbs of frequency in English collocations. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning video series. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that can significantly improve your English fluency. Adverbs of frequency in collocations. We'll discuss common mistakes learners make, and how to avoid them. Let's get started. Before diving into the common mistakes, it's crucial to understand what adverbs of frequency are. They tell us how often something happens or is the case. Common adverbs of frequency include always, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. In English, certain words tend to go together. These are known as collocations. Adverbs of frequency often form part of these collocations, helping to describe the frequency of an action. For instance, the adverb always often collocates with tell the truth. We say, I always tell the truth, not I always say the truth. Misplacing or misusing these adverbs can lead to awkward or incorrect sentences. Now that we understand what adverbs of frequency are and their importance in collocations, let's look at some common misuses. A common error is using the wrong adverb with a certain verb. For instance, we don't usually say, I usually am eating lunch at noon. Instead, we say, I usually eat lunch at noon. Another frequent mistake is incorrect placement. The adverb should generally go before the main verb. For example, I always drive to work, not I drive always to work. To avoid these mistakes, practice is key. Reading and listening to English frequently can help you internalize these collocations. Also, remember that adverbs of frequency typically come before the main verb or after the verb, to be. That's all for this video on adverbs of frequency in English collocations. We hope you now have a better understanding of these adverbs and how to use them correctly. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using these collocations as fluently as a native speaker. Thanks for watching and happy learning.